Hi folks, Mike from TradeStalker.com. As we wrapped up a week with records across the board, I think just about every day this week. So anyways, this is a recap for Friday, January the 5th. Started with another gap up open, and this was the third one in a row. This one was sold immediately today, right under there, and they were coming. They made a Globex high right at the 24 and a half, the top of this zone, and they're coming down as they opened, and they continued on down. They went one tick under the 28-27 zone, and immediately turned up here. So from resistance to support right off the bat, with a good strong market, we figured that we could get more upside. So with this reversal, they had a pullback twice, three times. It held just above this. They held at 28 half, and three times they bounced from there. Came up to the 23 half, 24 half zone, and backed away a little bit. Same here, stall. Didn't get much of a pullback. This is because we have such a strong market and strong momentum, and pullbacks weren't going far. You could almost tell there wasn't going to be anything significant going on. Okay, back into the zone. As we're going sideways here, normally in a normal market, this would be a setup for a shorting opportunity, but with it as strong as it is, and this is what's called cigar patterns in the ebook. We held, this is between 24 half, 23 half zone right here, and then the breakout led to a move to the next zone. At the end of the day, we were targeting the 40 area for the last zone to be reached. Once that was broken, it then at the end of the day held as new support on a pullback. So this acted as a support. We had a resistance, a pullback, and then this acted as a support. This was a target on the upside, and took it out, held support on a pullback, and then rallied into the close. To close one heck of a week on the upside. So I think from Friday's low, the ES rallied 74.5 points during the day session. I think the Dow made it come back up about 580 points. The NASDAQ about 270 points. So hey, one crazy market here. You want to be involved, join us. We'll have the areas for you, and you'll have me on the sidelines to help guide you through the day. Have a great trading week next week, and have a great day. Bye.